Hey everyone, the holidays are coming up and I wanted to share with you my absolute favorite products that I've bought this year. Each one of these is a complete game changer. So if you're looking for a gift for somebody else, or maybe yourself, stay tuned to see my top picks. The new DJI Neo is less of a traditional drone and more of an action camera that automatically flies around to shoot cool videos of you. It's super easy to use. Just turn it on, choose a quick shot from the button on the front, hold it up so it can see your face, and long press to launch the drone. It'll take off, start recording, run its predefined shot, then land back in your hand. It can also track you from the front or back when hiking, biking, and doing other outdoor activities, and when you're done, just hold out your hand, and it will land. Although the Neo is super light, it's surprisingly tough. It doesn't have any collision sensors, so it's designed to bounce off trees and walls over and over and over and be fine. It shoots in 4K 30 frames per second, and is surprisingly smooth and stable considering it only has a one-axis gimbal because it uses their Rocksteady software stabilization. Video quality isn't as sharp as my Mini 4 Pro, but it's totally fine for casual shots and social media. The really smart thing DJI did is not limit this to just a selfie drone. You can use their app to fly it manually, and it works great, but it has limited range. If you want to fly further and with more precision, you can buy one of DJI's controllers or even pick up their new N3 goggles and motion controller to try out FPV flying. So there's lots of ways to use this little drone. It's super affordable at $199 for the drone and one battery. You don't even have to buy a micro SD card because it has 22 gigs of internal storage. I'd recommend going for the $289 combo kit that gives you 2 additional batteries and a fast charger to extend your fly time. I've had a few drones in the past, but I rarely brought them with me because they're bulky, even the DJI mini drones. The best camera or drone is the one you have on you, and that's why this is such an exciting product. Since I can bring the Neo and 2 batteries in this tiny Matador sling that only weighs 10 ounces, I don't hesitate to bring it with me everywhere, and it's been fun to capture all kinds of cool shots with minimal effort. I feel like this is the perfect starter drone for anyone who wants fun shots without learning a lot about flying. And that's why you might want this to be under your tree this year. Next, the Ray-Ban Metas are the ultimate in stealth technology because they look just like standard Wayfarers, but they pack in a camera, headphones, and AI assistant. Best of all, they're only $100 more than a standard set of Wayfarers at $300, so it's a really good value. Camera quality and stabilization is way better than I expected. It shoots videos and photos in portrait orientation with its 12 megapixel sensor, so it's definitely optimized for social media. The videos have a first-person perspective that feels more like reliving the moment because it's from the same perspective that you experienced it. I love the camera because it allows me to take spontaneous photos in places where it may be awkward or dangerous to pull out my phone. Look at the amazing footage I got of these hawks landing on my arm. I wouldn't have been able to get this any other way. So recording audio and video on these is super easy. You just put them on. If you want to take a photo, you just press the button. If you want to take a video, you long press, and you'll hear a chime in your ear to let you know that it started recording the video. You can see there's a very small white light right here, and that's so people know that you're recording because we don't want to be creepy. The feature I use most is the open-ear speakers that are placed in small slots near your ears. They sound surprisingly clear and balanced. There's not a ton of bass, but they're perfect for listening to background music, podcasts, or taking a call. You can swipe on the side to control the volume and double tap to skip songs. I like that these don't block your ears so you're aware of what's going on and can have a conversation with someone while quietly listening to music in the background. You get 3 to 4 hours of battery life out of a single charge, but you can drop them into the case and that will give you up to 8 recharges. The Meta app syncs photos and videos quickly and wirelessly over Wi-Fi right to your phone. Overall, this is a really slick system. It doesn't try to do too much, and what it does very well. If you want a thoughtful gift that will appeal to pretty much anyone, this is a really strong recommendation. Skip all the small power stations with the wimpy inverters and small batteries and invest in an Ecoflow Delta 3 Plus because it does everything that you'll need it to do and you won't quickly outgrow it. This is perfect because it's small and light enough to bring camping, but powerful enough to run literally anything you can plug into the wall with its 1800 watt pure sine wave inverter that's capable of up to 3600 watts peak. You can plug in things like a computer or web router, and when the grid goes down, it will switch over to battery in just 10 milliseconds, so everything will stay online. Inside it has a safe 1024 watt-hour LFP battery that will run a full-size fridge. It has a pair of powerful 140 watt USB-C ports, a regulated DC port that can run 12-volt appliances like a fridge, and dual 500 watt solar inputs so it can charge from 2 solar arrays or your car and solar panel at the same time. You can plug it into the wall and fast charge at up to 1500 watts. Best of all, it is dead quiet, even at high output. Seriously, this is the quietest power station I've ever tested, and let me tell you, this makes a huge difference if you have to sit near it. It's super portable for use on the go when camping, but when you get home, you can plug it into an expansion battery to give you long run times during an outage. The 1 kilowatt hour expansion battery doubles your runtime, so you can run something like a full-sized fridge for at least a full day. I love the new compact and stackable design with this low profile cable that doesn't stick out like it used to in previous versions. There's only one expansion port, but if you want longer runtimes, you can connect this to a bigger battery like the 2 kilowatt hour Delta 2 Max or even the 4 kilowatt hour Delta 3 Pro. The Delta 3 Plus retails for $899, but during Black Friday it's on sale for only $650, which is an amazing deal for a brand new product like this. In my opinion, you really shouldn't mess around with a small power station and instead just buy this. It's the perfect way to start your home backup, and you can always add expansion batteries later. All right, let's move on to stocking stuffers that come in under $60. First up is a brand new tool from Wera. It's their new 838 RAM racheting screwdriver. It's a crazy name, but this thing is absolutely amazing. Now, the thing that makes this so special is it has an all-new ring that allows you to control the ratchet super easily. This also acts as a way to manually turn the screw when you need precise control or there isn't enough friction in the ratchet to engage. Now, the thing I love most about this is that you turn the ring in the direction that you want to drive the screw. Now, that may seem completely obvious, but that's not the way any other ratchet works. For example, if you have a standard ratchet and you want to tighten the screw, you actually have to turn the ring to the left. On this, when you want to tighten the screw, you turn it to the right. I can switch between tightening and loosening with one smooth, natural move, which makes this a real breeze to work with. Compared to my larger Wera ratcheting driver, this is so much more efficient because of the directional ring and low back drag. It has an integrated wrap adapter bit holder that's also compatible with the double-sided VHA bits. This is now my go-to screwdriver, and I've been using it with my VHA GoBox bit set, and it's a really nice combination. With the shorter insert bits, I like to have a little more reach, so I took the small extension that I made from my 711L mini ratchet, and I use it now in the wrap adapter, and that gives it just a little more reach. This fits perfectly in the palm of your hand, and is just really light and comfortable. In my experience, all Wera ratchets have a little bit of play in their ratchet mechanisms. When I'm using it, I don't notice it at all. This comes in at $34, which I think is actually a very fair price for the quality you're getting here, but keep your eyes open for sales over the holidays because Wera tools frequently go on sale. My next pick is the Victorinox Rambler. Now, I think this is perfect for anyone, especially people that don't currently carry a multi-tool or knife on their keychain. This thing is absolutely tiny and does everything you need it to do. There's a knife, scissors, 3D Phillips with bottle opener, nail file with flathead, toothpick and tweezer, all in a tiny 1 ounce or 30 gram package that's smaller than a tube of lip balm. You can throw it in your pocket or clip it on a keychain, but I like to attach it to a small suspension clip and hang it from the edge of my pocket. If you're somebody who likes to carry a pocket knife, this is the perfect companion to round out your tool set. This packs in an absolute ton of utility in a pint-sized package for only $35. Victorinox are classy and last a lifetime, so I think this is a really nice gift for anyone on your list. If you've watched any of my videos over the last year, you know that my favorite EDC flashlight is the Royvyvon A7 G4 flashlight. This has a flashlight with 4 levels of brightness up to 650 lumen. There's a warm sidelight lantern that gives you up to 50 lumens of output. It's USB-C rechargeable. This is the exact same size as a tube of lip balm and only weighs 1 ounce or 30 grams. The A7 retails for $38, but is on sale during Black Friday for only $30. When I need longer output than the A7 can provide, I've been grabbing the Royvyvon E5 because it's essentially the same type of light, but it has a really cool feature that lets you add a AAA battery to double its runtime. It only weighs 29 grams or just under an ounce and costs $47, but it's on sale for Black Friday for only $35. If you want a flashlight that is super powerful but still pocket-sized, the Fenix E18R is an awesome choice. It can output up to 1200 lumens and punch up to 146 meters in the distance. There's a single button that controls 4 levels of brightness. On its low 30 lumen setting, it can run up to 15 hours because of its large 700 milliamp hour battery that's also replaceable. It's got a beautiful machined aluminum body that weighs 54 grams or 1.9 ounces and comes in both black and this cool nebular anodized finish. I like to carry this when I go for a hike because of its long throw and extended battery life. This is somewhat pricey at $60, but I think it's worth it and you will find good sales on it during Black Friday. There's a million power banks out there, but the one that really got my attention this year is the Anker 3-in-1 because it combines a power bank, USB-C cable, and wall charger in a really compact unit. This makes it perfect for a weekend trip because I can recharge my iPhone Pro about 2 times. When the battery gets low, I can plug it right into an outlet and it will recharge at a whopping 30 watts, which is 5 to 6 times faster than most power banks. The integrated USB-C cable is so strong that it can work as a lanyard, and if you have an older iPhone, you can buy a Lightning version as well. There's a second USB-C port on the side, so you can charge 2 devices at once, which is convenient when I need to charge my Apple Watch at the same time. It supports power delivery output of 30 watts, so it can fast charge my phone to 50% in just 25 minutes for a quick top-up. I like that this has a real display to show the state of charge as a percentage instead of a few cryptic dots. It's light enough to carry in a sling or backpack at 250 grams or 8.8 ounces, and is a great choice for a personal charger with everything you need built in. This retails for $36, but during Black Friday, it's on sale for $30, which is an excellent value. My final pick are these cool handcrafted tools designed to fit in the Leatherman bit holder. These are from JovtokHub on Etsy, and he recently sent these out to test. There's a 1/4-inch socket adapter that's perfect for an EDC socket set like this Makita. Just slide in the adapter, drop in a socket, and you're in business. There's a magnetic precision bit holder that lets you use smaller 4mm bits to work on electronics. And a 1/4-inch magnetic hex bit adapter that's like a shorter version of the Leatherman extension. If you work with specific screws every day and want an upgrade from the flat Leatherman bits, they sell a range of dedicated 2-inch screwdriver tips that are miles better. There's even 4-inch bits if you need extra reach. Lastly, there's an awl that's much sharper than the one in my Surge. Prices range from $10 to $20 per tool and are a great way to level up your Surge by tucking these into your sheath. I really wish I had found these when I was working on my Leatherman EDC kit video, because they're really smart. All right, everyone, well, I hope this video gave you some good ideas for gifts for yourself or someone you love. Let me know down in the comments what products have knocked your socks up this year. All right, everyone, till next time.